Hi! So we buy these 3 blind item boxes of Smiski. 1 blue, 1 green, and 1 pink, I guess. So this is the 3 of those ones. So I don't know if what's in this cover is what you're going to receive. But let's see. Let's unbox. Unboxing. Be careful with the box. Oops. We have this here. Okay. So this is what we got. This is what the box looks like. So what we have is, I don't know which one of this because it's not in here. I think this is the mystery item. I think we got the mystery item. So cute. So we have to unbox this one. Let's see which one are we going to get. This one. Oh my gosh, I watched something on TikTok that there's something wrong and his head it's like this. I thought it was joking or it was an error, but this is what I get. Something is really wrong with his head. Why is it like this? Do you like put it like this? Or it should be like lying down or here? Oh my gosh. Let's open this last one. Oh, it's so cute. So I don't know which one if it is. It's not here, but it's blue, so I think it's this one. So then, yeah, I got 2 of the blue ones and then the green ones. I can't find which of these green ones is this Smiski. So bye. So long till the Smiski. I got the 3 ones.